Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and today I'm going to show you how to store and blob image in Oracle database manually. There are certain cases where we want to store image in database using manual procedure. So let's get started. Let me log in to the workspace. So let us see. So let me run this application. Okay, and let me go to the page. So this is the report which displays the image. I'll show you how to display this image also. I have created one button over there. Let's say for example, if you click on this one, it will take you to the add product page where you have the first name, description, category available, whether the product is available or not, or list price, and the product image. Okay, so we need to work on this one. So let's get to the page. See, let me show you the table which we have utilized. So ultimately we required an see. Okay, so we have utilized the table called as a demo product information. Okay, so let me take you to that place. This one. Okay, so here you can see the product image is data type is given as a blob. And now what we want that on the click event of this add product, we want the data to be stored in the database. But as we do in the manual process, like if we have some PLSQL code over here, then we are writing like this, p underscore description or something. Okay, we are writing like this one, so it will not work as far as the blob is concerned, right? So first thing, you need to add this items, and one change that is required in this product image is you have to choose that as a file browser. Okay, so just choose a file browser over here, and from storage type select the table called the apex underscore application underscore temp underscore file. So let me tell you what is it. Whenever you store the application image or any image in this one, so that will be stored in this temp table, right, or view. So whatever the data is there, we can fetch this data using a query. Okay, so I have also added one button, so that is called the add product, and on the click event of this we are going to execute one process. So let's say for example this one. So let's see the code. Hope it is available, it's visible properly, right? Okay, fine. So first one, declare. So product ID which I required, so I have added this one. So we are focusing over here, like I'm defining an variable called the image, and set its data type as a blob. Next thing that we need to do is we are selecting the blob content into the image which we have defined here from apex underscore application underscore temp files. Okay, where the name is equals to this product image. So whichever, let's say for example here we have set this. Okay, so we have set that particular image. So we are fetching that image where the product image is equals to this one. Okay, so that image will be stored into this temp file. Then we can fire the query, insert into table name and variables of column names and the value as a image, right? So it will work. Let us check now whether it's working or not. So I'm entering like okay, sorry for the disturbance. Let me enter the product name. Let maybe it can be like pen drive. Description is okay. Category computer. Yes, it's available. List price, let's say for example 500, and let me add a product. So let me choose this pen drive or something, this one. Okay, open, and let me add product. See, product added successfully. And if you want to see that the product added like this one, we have added like pen drive, right? So this is the thing where we need to use that particular thing if we want to store this object. And let me show you how to display this image. Okay, so go to this page where where we have display those things. Just a minute. So this is a report which is taken from the local database, and instead of that image you just need to write this one: dbms underscore lob dot get length product underscore image, and alias as image. So it will be displayed, it is get at as a blob table or image. And in the type you need to select this display image, right? So that is the thing which is required. Further we need to give that from where we are selecting that column name. So in the blob column, your table name, you have to give the table name from which you want to display that image. So blob column is this one, and the primary key column that is required is product ID in this case. Okay, so whenever you run this program, it will display the current image, okay, of the product which you have stored in this one. Hope you like this video, and just comment if anything is required or any updation is there, anything you want to know, right? So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.